And if you know what you're doing, it can cost you less than $100. Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Alright guys, so today we build in a concrete countertop. So what I'm doing here right now, I'm framing it out. So this is basically, we actually lining up the countertop. So when I put the concrete in, I ain't got to worry for it to shift go anywhere. So when we put in the concrete, okay, bring this one out. So basically guys, we're ready. This kind of concrete countertop, you can definitely use it indoors and outdoors. It's a good idea to add maybe BRC wire, steel, whatever you desire. If you follow along guys, you will actually be, and trying to make this project, you will actually saving yourself a whole bunch of money. This is priceless information to make you save a bunch of money guys. Alright, so we got to mix more guys. This is concrete mix, and this is the right thing to use. This is the right thing to use to make concrete countertop. So just like this, I save myself a bunch of money. this, you got to beat it because you want the concrete to compact to each other. So when the more you beat it, you're gonna get the air out and the bubble, and the concrete gonna compact fully well together. And when you pull, everything looks smooth and nice. So you see when you beat it like that, the bubble, the air gonna come out. And when the air come out, that's where you're not gonna be seeing the holes, because we try to get this to be very solid. So now we're gonna leave that right there. And once it dry, tomorrow we take it out, we put it up here, and then we start to work on the face. This is the slab that's gonna be going to the top, and this is actually the countertop we now make. This is the concrete countertop. It's a concrete countertop. The only cost is the cement, definitely. This is way better than laminated countertop. So guys, I just want to thank you all again. We appreciate each and every one of you. We're gonna be putting on the top tomorrow, and then we gonna walk on the face. I hope this video motivate you guys to do your own DIY project. If not tomorrow evening, it's gonna be Saturday. You guys have a blessed and wonderful evening.